How to install Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11 on the Poco F1. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. What are the prerequisites for this video? Well, for starters, you need to have an unlocked bootloader. Then you need to have TWRP recovery installed. How do you do that? I have separate videos for both of those, which can be found in the description of the video. Next thing, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also, make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device, because if we run into any boot loops, any encryption issues, you will have to do a format data from TWRP, in which case you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. And before I forget, as you can see, I do have the Poco F1. It is running MIUI 12 based on Android 10. However, the process will remain the same even if you're on a custom ROM. All you have to do is skip the steps which are not applicable to you. First thing, go into settings, password and security, remove your password, fingerprint, and face unlock. Once that is done, you can go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Those of you who are on custom ROMs based on AOSP, you won't have the option of removing your Mi account. Next thing, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account as well. Once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, you will have to reboot your device once. And why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We're doing this so that we do not get locked out of our own device. Next thing you need to know is whether your device is encrypted or not. So you'll go into settings, password and security, and privacy. Here it is for me. Encryption and credentials says phone not encrypted, which means my device is not encrypted or it is decrypted. Now those of you who are on custom ROMs based on AOSP, you can go into settings, security, tap on advanced. As you can see, encryption and credentials. Over here it says encrypted, and this is my Pixel 3. This means my device is encrypted. Next up, what are the files which we need? All the files which we need are linked in the description of the video, and these are the files which you need. You need Lineage OS ROM itself. Do note it does not come with Google Apps baked in. So in case you want to flash Google Apps, then you need the Google Apps package as well, which in my case I am using Nix stock Google Apps. Then you need firmware, the latest firmware for the Poco F1, and I am using 12.0.2.0. And in case your device is not encrypted, again, in case your device is not encrypted or decrypted, then you also need the disable force encryption file. Next thing we need to do is boot our device into TWRP. For that, the first thing you need to do is turn off your device. Once the device is turned off, you need to press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till you see the TWRP recovery boot logo. Once we have booted into TWRP, we're going to wipe, advanced swipe, and select Dalvik cache, system, vendor, and data, and then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, we're going to tap on the home button, go into install. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you've downloaded all the files. In case you downloaded the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder, and in case you transferred them manually from your computer, you would know where you have transferred them. First file which we need to select is the firmware file. Add more zips, select the Lineage OS zip file, and yes, we are using the unofficial build in this video. However, do note that if and when official Lineage OS 18.1 builds are released for the Poco F1, this video will still work. Next up, add more zips, and we are going to flash Nix stock Google Apps. Those of you who do not want GApps can skip adding the GApps package. Next thing, swipe to confirm, flash. Now once all the files have flashed successfully, we can scroll up, make sure everything was flashed without any issues. So here it is, we are flashing the firmware, and as you can see, flashing firmware, script succeeded, result was 1. Next up, Lineage OS 18.1 is being flashed, and here we have it, script succeeded, result was 1. And then it is flashing Nix Google Apps, and again everything was flashed without any issues. Next up, we'll tap on the home button. Now those of you whose device was not encrypted or decrypted, and that was the case with me, we'll go into mount, make sure vendor is mounted, tap on the home button, go into install and select disable force encryption and then swipe to confirm flash. Once that is done, we'll tap on the home button. Next thing we need to do is we'll go into reboot and select system. Now in case you run into any boot loops, encryption issues, you will have to boot back into TWRP recovery by pressing and holding volume up and power button at the same time while you're in the boot loop. That should boot you into TWRP. You'll go into wipe, format data, type in yes, and then click on the check mark on the bottom right of the keyboard. As I mentioned earlier, format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you have a backup of all those things. For now, we are going to skip that step, go into reboot and select system. And there it is. We do have the Lineage OS boot animation on our Poco F1, which means we are booting into Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11. The first boot up will take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is. We are on the setup screen. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And we are on the home screen. We can go into settings, and then if you go into security, encryption and credentials, phone not encrypted, which means disable force encryption was flashed without any issues. We also have the Play Store and other Google apps baked in, which means Nix stock GApps package was also installed without any issues. And last but not the least, we can go into settings, about phone, and as you can see, Android version is 11, Lineage OS version is 18.1, security patch is from December 5th 2020. So there it is, peeps. That is how you install Lineage OS 18.1 based on Android 11 on the Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.